What's up everybody, and in this video I will show you how to connect your Bybit wallet with the Blum application. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end. In order to do so, just tap on the wallet option on the bottom right corner and then tap on connect wallet option in the middle of the screen. Once you do it, there will be plenty of wallet options. Just go with the view all wallets, and in it just tap on Bybit wallet. Once you do it, it will redirect you to the Bybit application. So wait till the application totally boots up. Once it will do, it will show you a connect option for the wallet. So once the option pops up, all you have to do is to tap on connect wallet option, then give the security key for your Bybit application. So once you do it, you will be connected with the Bybit application, and the Bybit wallet will be connected with the Blum wallet. So just go with connect option, then give your password and then wait. You will see that there will be a notification about the wallet has now been connected with the Blum. So let's go to the Telegram back and now let's open up the Blum application. Wait till the application boots up. So once the Blum application is on, back to the wallet option and wait till the wallet loads up. Here you can see that the wallet address is showing on the middle. So that's how you can connect the Bybit application with the Blum application. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.